If you're an iPhone user, you're going to love this travel charging kit from ESR. It's called the Halolock ESR Wireless Charging Kit. Let's have a look. A big shout out to ESR for sending this over. So this one is a 3-in-1 travel charging kit, and this is meant for your iPhone as well as your Apple Watch and your AirPods. Essentially a wireless charging kit for your Apple devices. So this is a two-way adjustable stand-based charger. It's also got the removable watch charger. I'll show you that in a minute, and it can charge 3 devices. So it is specially made with the MagSafe magnets for your iPhone. So yeah, it will charge other phones as well, but may not stick to it. Total output is about 20 watts. That includes 17 for the phone, 5 for the AirPods, and 5 for the Apple Watch. It weighs about 119 grams, pretty lightweight, so you can stick it into your travel bags pretty easily. So it's made in China, of course, and here are some more things inside. Let's open up this quickly. Okay, inside you do have this typical ESR welcome kit, which says you can become a super user. So scan that, check out their other devices, links in the description. A lot of travel accessories and MagSafe accessories for your iPhones. So you have some user instructions, and you can see it by the image. It's pretty simple. It's very easy to do it. You do not have to read this. So some more ESR stuff inside. Let's get this out of the way. First thing in the box is your portable charger for your Apple Watch. So now this is a USB-C based device, magnetic cap on it, I can see that, and it's specially made for the Apple Watch. Outputs about 5 watts through a USB-C input. And here is that small little device. So this is essentially a kit which converts your USB charger into a wireless charging kit for your Apple Watch. And I like this lid. It's actually a magnetic lid. How cool is that? Yeah. So USB-C port over here. So that means you can plug this into any charger, and then you can charge your Apple Watch using this. So that's essentially wireless charger for your watch, which you can carry separately in case you don't want to use the whole kit. What else is inside? Well, you have a nice little pouch. So this has got an ESR logo embossed onto it. I think it looks incredibly good. So nicely stitched, and a very nice companion for your travel kit. So 2 magnetic locks there, and inside you can see there's an included USB-C charger, and this will output about 20 watts. Yeah, it's not a very high-speed charger, but 20 watts is good enough for the job to be done. And there is your charging kit. You also have, well, that's about it. You also have that extra space for the Apple Watch charger, but they have included that on a separate box. I guess that's sold separately as well. So here's a USB to Type-C to Type-C cable included in the box. There you go, nice band. And this is about 1.2 meters long or 1.5 meters long approximately. So this is the foldable ESR Travel Charger. And it's very thoughtfully designed, MagSafe of course. And it can be placed on your desk like this. And all you got to do is just snap in your phone there, and the MagSafe magnet will take care of the rest. So let me show you the side view. So you can see that there's a space there for your AirPods. So AirPods go over there, and then you have a slot for that Apple Watch charger. So everything here is wireless. So you just need to input your USB-C. Okay, and this is where you plug in your Apple Watch charger. And yeah, it's the color combination which might be a little odd. It's probably because this Apple Watch charger is an accessory, but it is a Type-C output. So very thoughtfully designed. So just one device to charge all 3 of your Apple devices. So let's power this on. Let's see if there's any LED indicators on this one. Okay, no lights. So no lights on this one. Okay, essentially this is how it's going to stick on. And in case you don't want to, use the Apple Watch charger, you can lay it flat and it'll still work. So this folding hinge is pretty sturdy, so you can keep this phone at any angle you want. I think it goes up to say about 75 degrees to 80 degrees. So essentially you can lay it flat, or you can probably leave it vertically so that you can use it as a clock with always on display. So it depends on however you want to use it. And this is really compact once you get it folded. So if you don't want to take anything else, you can just take this alone, and that itself is a nice looking travel adapter. And it all fits in very snug in that nice little pouch. So let's put everything back. Let's see if it works. It's a nice little travel pouch. I think it makes for a very good gift. So let's do some checking again. I just want to see how powerful this magnet is. Checking different cases. So the first case I checked was with the sub case. So the magnets are pretty strong and it holds on pretty well. No indicators though. That's the only downside of this. So very compact and very thoughtfully designed. I just wish this was black, this watch charger. But the addition of this travel adapter is very useful for those of you looking to pick up a charger. You can just pick up this kit instead, and once you do that, it kind of is a complete set, and you can throw in your watch, you can throw in your AirPods, and everything will charge on one particular platform. So what do you think about this kit? Let me know in the comment section below. So if you like this video, do subscribe, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. I have more such videos coming up for your iPhone 15 series and other accessories. Thank you so much for watching rTech. I shall see you on the next one. Bye bye.